And starting today, American shoppers may find cheap goods from online retailers not so cheap anymore as President Trump's decision to close a trade loophole known as de minimis takes effect. This allows low-value packages to enter the United States without the inspection, information disclosure or duty payment typically associated with purchases of foreign goods. In 2015, the volume of packages quadrupled when Washington raised the threshold from $200 to $800. U.S. Congress says more than 1 billion de minimis shipments are processed every year, with more than half coming from mainland China and Hong Kong. Fast fashion juggernauts such as Temu and Shein account for more than 30% of parcels entering under this route, sending products directly to American customers in an ecosystem that bypasses warehouses, customs, and tariffs. Closing this loophole means they will now have to pay duties of 120% on goods sold to American customers, or a flat $100 fee per postal item. Come June 1st, that amount will increase to $200. But Temu and Shein say they are well prepared, having reportedly raised their prices ahead of time. Our spending on both sides even recovered last month after a plunge in February. Analysts say shoppers began stocking up at the start of April. Shein's U.S. revenue growth accelerated to 38% in the first 11 days of the month, while Temu saw growth of 60%. The retailers are also bringing more American and European sellers onto their platforms and setting up warehouses in the U.S. Most of their products are still made in China. Both have started to diversify their supply chains, looking to Mexico and Southeast Asia. But good things do not always come in small packages. The U.S. Customs and Border Agency says imports using the loophole include high-risk shipments that may contain narcotics. President Trump has justified the tariffs as a means to stop the flow of fentanyl substances. But ending this provision could create headaches for customs authorities, which we saw in February during a temporary suspension of de minimis, and that led to packages piling up on the borders.